how to remove MasterCard from Google Pay. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can remove MasterCard from Google Pay. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up Play Store app on your mobile. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Now, in the Play Store app, at the top right corner of your screen, you can see your profile picture, so just go ahead and click on that. After that, you can see the payments and subscriptions option, so just click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the payments and subscriptions section. Over here, you can see the payments methods option at the top. So just go ahead and click on that. After clicking on it, you have to look for more payment settings. So just click on it. After that, it will redirect you to the Payment Center page. Over here, you have to scroll down and click on Remove to remove your card from Google Pay. Before removing your card, it will ask you to choose a new payment method. Over here, you can either select the existing card or add a new one by clicking on it. So, I will just click on the existing card option. After that, just click on Save and Remove. After that, it will give a confirmation message that your card has been removed. So just click on OK. Now you can see that the MasterCard has been removed from Google Pay. So that's how you can remove MasterCard from Google Pay. That's all for this video.